Hello students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to continue the exercise. So before starting the exercise, just I want to tell you about the crossroads questions. So this is the first question given in the book. So how to calculate that we are going to do in this example, okay? So this is the question in which ABCD is a big rectangle given, PQRS is another rectangle given, EFGH is another rectangle given, and we are talking about the big rectangle ABCD whose length is 700 and breadth is 300 meter, and this road, this cross road, there is a gap of 10 meter, and this between the middle in the middle KLMN, okay, that is square. Okay, so first, how to calculate this type of questions, okay, crossroad questions basically. First, this figure I have separated each and every figure separately, okay. So first we are talking about ABCD, the big rectangle, ABCD, the big rectangle whose length is 700 and breadth is 300. So first thing what you have to do is, first you have to find the area of the big rectangle, that is ABCD, that is length into breadth, okay. Now come to the next rectangle, that is PQRS, okay, PQRS, this rectangle whose breadth is 10 and we are talking about PS whose length is 300. So when we are talking about PQRS whose breadth is 10 meter and length is 300 meter, so here also we have to find the area of rectangle PQRS, okay. So length into breadth, that is 300 into 10. Now come to this rectangle, that is EFGH, okay, EFGH whose length is 700 meter, okay, whose length is 700 meter and breadth is 10 meter. So when we are talking about EFGH whose length is given 700 meter and breadth is given 10 meter. So for EFGH rectangle, again we have to find length into breadth. Now come to this figure, this is PQRS, okay. So this is the figure, okay, PQRS. This I have separated PQRS and EFGH so you can understand better. So this is that crossroad we are talking about, PQRS. This length is 300 and this breadth is 10 meter, and we are talking about EFGH whose this length is 700 and this length is 10 meter, okay. Now hope it is clear to you. And between this crossroad you see one square is there, okay, KLMN, this is the square portion. So here also we have to find the area of square, okay. Apart from this three rectangles, ABCD is the first rectangle, PQRS is the second rectangle, EFGH is the third rectangle, we are having one more thing, that is KLMN, that is square. So we have to find the area of square, okay. Area of square is side into side, that we have to find out. So how to calculate? First, find the area of the bigger rectangle, that is ABCD, separate it. Then what you have to do is, then you have to add the area of PQRS, okay. Area of PQRS means length into breadth, plus area of EFGH. Then you have to subtract this portion, that is KLMN, okay, area of square, okay. So after doing this, you have to add the area of PQRS and EFGH, then you have to subtract the area of square. After that, the answer which you get, that answer you have to subtract with the bigger rectangle, that is ABCD, okay. So this we have to do in this type of crossroad questions, where you have to find the area of a bigger rectangle, then area of the first road, that is PQRS, then area of EFGH. When we are talking about PQRS, we are considering this portion as length, so that is 300, and this portion is breadth, that is 10 meter. Same way when we are talking about EFGH, we are considering this H and G is length, that is 700, and EH is the breadth, that is 10 meter. Okay. Then later on we have to calculate the area of square, that is side into side. So area of PQRS plus area of EFGH minus KLM. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. Then when we will start the questions, it will be more clear. Okay. Just go through it. Thank you. Okay, now come to question number 6. So I'm just reading the question. Okay. The figure I have already made here. Okay. So the question is, two cross road, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter, parallel to its side. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of park excluding cross roads. Give the answer in hectares. Okay. So first thing, I just want to explain the figure. So here ABCD represents the rectangular park. Okay, this is ABCD, that is the rectangular park whose length is 700 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Okay, so this is all about the rectangular park. We are talking ABCD. Okay, now come to the next, area of rectangle PQRS and EFGH. So PQRS, this is the first rectangle, and EFGH is the another rectangle, which represents the area of crossroad. Okay, this represents the area of crossroad, and between, in the middle you see KLMN, that represents the area of square. Okay, so this KLMN represents the area of square. So this portion we have to subtract it. So first we will calculate length and breadth of rectangle PQRS. So for the bigger rectangle ABCD, it is very easy to calculate. This is 700 and this is 300. So length into breadth is 700 into 300. Now we come to PQRS. PQ is 10 meter, that is breadth, and PS is 300 meter, that is length. When we are talking about EFGH, EH, that is 10 meter, that is breadth, and EF is 700 meter, that is length. Okay. Now area of the roads we have to find out. For finding the area of the roads, what you have to do, area of rectangle PQRS, area of this PQRS plus area of rectangle EFGH. Okay, area of rectangle EFGH. Then we have to subtract the area of this square, that is KLMN. So area of PQRS is PQ into PS, that is length into breadth, EH into EF, that is length into breadth, and this is KL into KN, that is side into side. Okay, up to this, hope it is clear to you. Okay, now we have to find the area of PQRS, that is length into breadth, 10 into 300. Okay, same way for EFGH, that is 10 into 700, and we have to subtract the area of square, that is 10 into 10, right? Now 10 into 300 is 3000 plus 700 into 10 is 7000 minus 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay, so we get 9900 meters square. Since in the question it is given that we have to find the answer in hectares, so just one hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 hectares. So just divide this 9900 by 10,000. So we get 0.99 hectares. Okay. Now come to the next part. Area of rectangular park ABCD, that is length into breadth, that is 700 into 300, that is 2 10,000. This thing you can find in the starting also. Okay, there is no problem in that. So now we have to find out area of park excluding the roads. So area of rectangular park ABCD, from this big rectangle ABCD we have to subtract the area of crossroads. Okay, so 2,10,000 minus 9,900 meters square. So we get 2,100,000. So we have to convert this into hectares. So just divide by 10,000. So we get 20.01 hectares. Okay. So once again I want to tell you about the figure. So ABCD is a rectangular park. Okay, whose length is 700 and breadth is 300. So first we have to find the area of this 700 into 300. Okay, so in the questions, this PQRS and EFGH makes a two crossroads in which this portion makes a square. Okay, so this KLMN makes a square here. So we have to just remove this square and we have to find the area of this rectangle PQRS and rectangle EFGH. That's why we are excluding the area of square here. Okay, that's why we have excluded the area of this square, so that we get the exact area of this rectangle and this rectangle. First rectangle PQRS and EFGH. That's why we have subtracted the area of square here, and rest everything is done. Hope it is clear to you. And one thing I want to tell you, if the question is asking about hectares, then only you have to write the answer in hectares, otherwise there is no necessary. Okay, so just go through it. Hope it is clear to you. Okay, now come to question number 7. Okay, let us see the figure first. So here also A, B, C, D represent a rectangular field. Okay, so first thing in this question, before explaining the figure, I just read the question. The question is, through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, two crossroads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find the area covered by the roads. The cost, second part, the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 meter. So we are talking about the figure. So same figure, A, B, C, D is a rectangular field. So in the first part, it is not given that we have to find the area of field. Okay, first thing, we have to find the area of the crossroad. Okay, and the area covered by the roads, finally that we have to find out. So PQRS is the second rectangle and EFGH is the third rectangle. The breadth is 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, the gap width of the road is of 3 meter, right? So when this crossroad crosses each other, one square is here. Same in the previous question, KLMN is the square. As I told you that we have to find the area of this rectangle PQRS and rectangle EFGH. That's why we are excluding the area of square, so that we can get this PQRS rectangle like this, and we can get the rectangle EFGH like this. That's why we are excluding the area of square here. So this question is homework. What you have to do is, first we have to find out the area covered by roads. So first, area of rectangle PQRS, that is length into breadth. This is length and breadth. PQ and PS, PQ into PS. Then area of rectangle EFGH, okay, that is 90 into 3, EF into EH, and we have to subtract the area of square, that is KLMN. The side is given 3, okay, so 3 into 3, that is 9, okay. So here 6 3s are 18, 180 plus 9 3s are 270 minus 9. So you have to do this calculation. We have to add 180 plus 270. We have to subtract the area of square. After getting this answer, the cost of construction is given for 1 meter square is rupees 110. After getting this answer, yes, just you have to multiply with 110. This is all about this question. The question is very easy. So once again, we want the area of rectangle PQRS like this. Only the area of this rectangle, right? And same way we want the area of rectangle EFGH like this. That's fine. So we want the rectangle area of rectangle EFGH, but this cross road makes this square. Okay, that is why we are reducing the area of square so that we can get the area of PQRS and area of EFGH. Okay, so this question is homework for you. Hope it is clear to you. Almost everything I have done, just you have to solve it and you have to multiply the cost with it. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 8. Okay, I'm just reading the question. So, Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 cm and cut off the length required of the cord. So, then she wrapped it around the square box of side 4 cm. Did she have any cord left? Okay, now see the figure. So Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe. This is a circular pipe whose radius is 4 cm. After wrapping, she cut some length. That is not mentioned, that is not given there, right? And same cord is, again, she is using to wrap the square box of side 4 cm. So we have to find out whether she left with any cord or not. Okay. So first, since she is wrapping a circular pipe whose radius is given, although she is wrapping means completely she is wrapping the circular pipe. So here we are going to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle, the formula is 2 pi r, where the value of pi is given 3.14 in the question. So 2 into 3.14 into 4. Why 4? Because the radius is given 4 cm. So 25.12 cm cord is used for wrapping the circular pipe. Okay. So 25.12 cm cord she used for wrapping the circular pipe. And again the same cord she is used for wrapping the square box. Okay. Square box. Same cord of length 25.12 she is using for wrapping this square box whose side is given 4 cm. So again she is wrapping this whole square box here. So we have to find the perimeter of the box and whose side is 4 cm. The formula is 4 into side. So 4 into 4, that is 16 cm. Okay. So as I told you, the same cord of length 25.12 cm is used to wrap the square box of side 4 cm, but the area of the square, but the perimeter of the square box is 16 cm. So we have to find out whether she left with some cord or not. Yes, definitely she left. She was left with 25.12 minus 16 cm. You get 9.12 centimeter cord. Okay, so The cord is used for wrapping a circular pipe. Same cord is used for wrapping the square whose side is 4 centimeter also. Okay. So she left with 9.12 centimeter cord. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. And in this video up to this question number 8 we are going to do. And practice the homework. If you have any doubt, just drop your message in Campus Care. Hope the question is clear to you. Just go through it. Thank you.